Dissolving a limited liability partnership, LLP. Step-by-step process 1. Review partnership agreement. Partners should check the partnership agreement for dissolution procedures and requirements, as it usually specifies how dissolution is initiated and carried out. 2. Vote for dissolution. Dissolving an LLP often requires a partner vote, and the partnership agreement may define the voting threshold. For example, majority or supermajority needed for approval. 3. Notification of creditors and obligations. Partners must inform all creditors and obligations of the LLP about the impending dissolution, including vendors, suppliers, clients, and lenders. 4. Settle debts and liabilities. The LLP must settle all debts and obligations, with partners using assets if necessary. 5. Liquidation of assets. LLP assets should be sold to pay debts, and partners divide proceeds as per the agreement. 6. Filing dissolution documents. LLPs must file dissolution documents with the local government agency, often involving fees. 7. Tax filings. The LLP files final tax returns, and partners report individual income and losses on personal tax returns. 8. Employee and employee benefit obligations. Partners must meet employee obligations, including compensation, benefits, and legal notifications if the LLP has employees. 9. Cancellation of licenses and permits. Partners should cancel LLP licenses, and publications may be required in some places to announce dissolution. 11. Final record keeping. Maintain records of all dissolution-related actions, including the distribution of